Your future depends on your aspirations essay. Everybody has the right to fantasy, and people who don't fantasy, their lifetime is like with no intention to achieve. So that your future is all in what it is you're dreaming today. Additionally, even though dreaming, it is only up to a person how enormous his aspiration, as it's a famed proverb which sky is the limit that will be indeed accurate. Among the aspirations act as compass and fuel in delivering forward and direction push in one's lifespan. Aims and ambitions keep you focused, maybe not letting them squander their own time, resources, and energies to trivialities. One's aspirations act as compass and fuel in giving direction and forward push in one's life. Aims and ambitions remain your focus, not letting them waste their own time, resources, and energies on trivialities. There are also, nevertheless, some persons who do not prepare their livelihood. They have no aim in life. Those who have no purpose in your life are somewhat just like a ship without a rudder or an envelope without an address. They are pitched to and fro with the situation. They complain of difficult occasions and blame their fate. It is no wonder they cut a sorry figure at the struggle of life. While picking our purpose or picking a livelihood, we've to expect for the finest and have prepared for your worst. We should have a certain purpose or fantasy in existence and may leave no stone unturned to reach it. Diverse individuals have various aims. Some men desire to get doctors while some wish to initiate a company. If authorities allure to an army, has a fascination for others. A few aim at turning into a teacher even though societal politics or service attracts others. Thus different individuals adopt different goals depending on their disposition or taste or pocket. It's the duty of the parents and the educators to persuade their wards to pick a profession according to their aptitude. Right aim entails right life and the incorrect objective means an incorrect living. Thus we should be quite cautious when deciding on our own target. Most likely the most difficult problem a youthful individual faces would be the selection of a livelihood. If somebody doesn't decide his purpose professionally, then he will function as considered a square peg in a round hole. Even the ideal profession would be one in that a person feels in your home and certainly can make a move worthwhile, and that, in the same period, assures him of good prospects in everyday life. There is an assortment of careers. I don't want to have a leap in the dark. I understand that achievement in life is contingent on the well-orchestrated aim. Law and business might possess a charm for others, however, they will have zero fascination for me. Business requires a tremendous amount of money that I really do not have. My goal, nevertheless, would be to become a teacher. Teaching is the quickest kind of profession. It's like killing two birds with a stone. An instructor can earn an honest and impartial living. They could serve his culture and country in the best way possible. He is actually a nation builder. He can mold the fate and form the near future and could ennoble the heads of both those students who are the wealth, future and pride of the nation. In a democracy where every adult is still a voter, training is of extreme relevance. An educator can impart the perfect kind of instruction and also make the college students ideal citizens. They can inculcate refined qualities at the youthful minds and make patriotic fervor within them. If educators are more efficient and function as torchbearers into the college students, then our democracy will have a bright future. I understand that educators from these times are ill-paid and can scarcely make both ends meet. But cash is not the only consideration with me. He resides among the grinning faces along with young hearts. He neither become old nor feels fearful as well as even serious. I will make a family setting in the faculty and will teach my students as gurus did in ancient times. Might God inspire me to function as exactly what I've decided to be. Thank you so much. Please like, share and